We are off the boat and doing a little hike to the big cedar tree. This is supposed to be quite spectacular, so I'm kind of excited. He said like 12 people can fit around the whole thing, so we'll see.
Oh, God.
Wow. Okay, so I'm thinking this is the big cedar tree. So wide that my whole camera can't even get it in. Oh my God. Well, this is probably one of the coolest trees I've ever met. Over 1,000 years old. So big. Look, its branches way up there are the size of big trees. I'm in awe. So to give you an idea of how big this tree is, I'm going to walk around it starting now. And we'll just see how long it takes. I honestly have no idea.
You're not asked before. Just let me know anytime.
Oh, people.
Oh, sorry.
Nope. Okay. So one of the things I just said, for a 1,000-year-old tree, still walking around it, to me this is sometimes more impressive than the pyramids. I just like Mother Nature, I guess. Okay, I'm like 3/4 of the way around. Okay, I am back to my starting point. So that's how big this tree is.